be here at the Palace grounds, especially coming off of such of a one of the best nights of my life actually last night at the Nahoku Hanohano Awards. As Melia Pana said, we were fortunate enough to come away with the Hawaiian Language Performance Award last night, so we're very proud of that and we take great pride in that accomplishment. And we also want to send a quick shout out to all of our peers who were nominated for that same category. It was just a wonderful showing of Hawaiian music last night. And it's such a blessing to be a part of such an occasion like the Nahoku Hanohano Awards. So mahalo. I see some familiar faces who were there last night, so mahalo for waking up early and coming to this. We'd like to slow it down for you folks at this time. Do a song that is very pili, very personal to each and every one of us here up on the Coronation Bandstand. It's a mele written by Mary Kavena Pukui in collaboration with Maddie Lamb. Speaking of a peak called ʻŌlauniu, which is in the middle of Kalihi and Nu'uanu. But the composer Mary Kavena Pukui compares the lover to that of the beautiful ʻāhihi lehua blossom, famous there at the peak of ʻŌlauniu. It's a beautiful song called Pua ʻāhihi. Beautiful song, one of our favorites, Pua ʻāhihi.